All right.
Mr. C6 Dave.
C6 Dave. Nice.
Oh, nice. Looks like there's a little monster pack over here.
What is that? What's this big box?
Martin's 35 count big box. Got some chips going in there.
Dang, we got quite a variety of snacks that we've never had. I've never had Martin's.
I think I have. It's always good to try something different.
Got there. It's a air pop popcorn, gold kettle chips,
Sea salted, hand cooked, barbecue waffle, sour cream and onion, and cheese curls. And then we have some Monster Ultras. Got some Ultra Peachy Keen, Ultra Watermelon, and Ultra Paradise. 12 pack variety. Nice.
Fuck yeah.
Thanks a lot. We appreciate that one.
Absolutely.
I speak for everybody when I say that. We appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you.
Tech intake.
Matt, it's going to be your guess on it. Looks like it's got a Haltech on it. 481. Really? That high? I'm going 470.
Oh, so you've got Mr. C6 Dave's car here.
Yeah, I got DeVito in here.
He gave us some good snacks. He was the one that gave us the...
Good snacks, good monsters.
I sure can, buddy. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, well, what do you got going on here, Kyle? What's this getting?
A C6Z. In for stage 4 and valve covers.
Nice. What color valve covers we going?
Don't know.
Mystery color. Nice.
If I'd imagine red. Yep, red.
Is that a new light? I don't think I've seen that thing before.
Yeah, just got it.
Got yourself a new one?
Yeah, I think it's a piece of shit too.
Why?
Because I don't like the max. I think this is the max. That's the max brightness. It lasts like maybe an hour.
Ah, that's terrible.
Yeah, well, it was like $20. It takes forever to fucking charge. It's one of those junk Chinese things. But it was Amazon's top pick, so I bought it.
Amazon's top picks. You know, the top picks at Amazon, they pay, like, whoever has that product listed apparently pays for that to be there.
Oh yeah, obviously. It's like a fucking, it's basically like an ad. It's nice and bright. Wait, whatever you're doing, better do it fast. Because you're not going to have it for long.
Said you can't do a Heads Cam in an hour.
No, not yet. So you grab a monster here in a second. I'm feeling it.
Really? What flavor are you going for?
I don't know. Whichever one's cold, I guess.
You're not looking to get itchy with the C4?
Yeah. I'm not looking for pre-workout at work. That sounds like a terrible idea.
I'm not looking for that itch, that pre-workout itch.
Kick my ADD into fucking overdrive. A nice ultra
Ultra Sunrise.
tropical, whatever the hell it is.
Peachy Keen.
Yeah, I don't want that peach one. I want that green one.
Guys, you really won't drive your car if it's raining?
No, that was a joke.
No, I don't believe that.
My car drives perfectly normal. Because, you know, you tuned it pretty good.
Wow, look at him buttering you up trying to get
Yeah, look at that dick sucking right there.
right on your face.
It's supposed to be a Friday morning. You're supposed to be enjoying yourself, you know?
Well, we work on cars, so you know how that works. Yeah, what's it called? When I was driving on my lift, I was like, why does this thing sound like it's like vibrating its takeoff. I'm like, why do I hear the exhaust so profoundly? I'm like, it's got to be hitting somewhere. And I'm looking, I'm like, well, it's got a stuck exhaust, but I'm like, you know what? I think it's got mufflers. Well, another case that they put the Corsa mufflers on backwards, so they're okay there. So they were both just fucking pressed up against the fucking frame. You can see where they were. Right.
I think I've actually seen you flip an exact set of
right
Corsa
there
mufflers
and
before.
right over there. You can see they were just pressed up against the thing. Which,
yeah, I don't think this is the first time I've seen you.
It's pretty
have to flip them.
Telltale sign of when you got them on wrong. Get the PB blast from my box over there on the left hand side.
Yep.
Chris is. Can you get the top for me too?
2 house fans.
Some batteries fall off that thing.
He does that sometimes.
I think the red valve covers with the red hull tech will end up looking pretty nice together. Getting this thing one final little wipe down before it's ready to rip.
Yep. So she's done flashing it.
2008 C6Z with 11,000 miles. Got our full stage 4, baseline 488. Is that what that says? Was it stock? Do you know? No. Let's see what she makes. Oil's warm. She's ready to go. .22, 543 torque first pull. Air fuel was pretty good. It was a little lean, but it was good for the most part, I should say. Pretty stout. So, you know, 140 horsepower so far, first pull. Let's see where we end up. Reference line on 12.5? Yeah. You can't tell by looking. What if it's on 12.8? Motherfucker. Squints the computer screen. Yeah, it's on 12.5. I can see that it's in between 12 and 14, just like you can from here. That wasn't what I asked.
I've never seen it on anything other than 12.5 or 11.5.
That doesn't mean it's not. I mean, it doesn't only have 2 options. It's got infinite options. Just like you've never seen the fucking dyno not display the graph until that one fucking day when I had to fix it, right? You never had sex until you did. Engine never blew up until it fucking kicked the rods out of it.
I haven't experienced that.
I have. It's not fun.
Maybe you should try like a more reliable car like a Chevy SS or something.
Yeah. Oh, I'll make your car not reliable if you want me to. Because I can do that. I won't. Because then you won't fucking come to work. Be like every other fucking millennial your age.
Come to work.
Not if you fucking kick the rods out of your car.
Come to work.
Yeah, well, there might be more trouble. You have to ask to borrow one of my cars and shit.
Yeah.
Fucking put you in the smart car.
I'd take that.
I love that thing.
And my favorite thing about
The way it shifts.
no, it was when I made a U-turn with it.
Oh.
I was like, holy shit.
My 450 will make the same U-turn. I'm dead serious. That thing makes ridiculous U-turns. Way better than my F-150. It's because they're wide track, so the fucking tires can, like, those things are awesome at U-turns. My 150 sucks.
Now that smart car, it felt like you could almost make a fucking U-turn in 1 The smart car is great, dude. You could like pretend like you're drunk in that thing and not do anything wrong because you could go like this and like you're still in the same lane. It's great. I love that fucking thing. .27 542. I fattened it up a little bit, so I figured it would lose a little bit. But I'm gonna let this thing cool down, and then we'll do final pull. All right, gave this thing a little bit of a cool down. Final pull. Let's see what we got. I'll do 2 pulls, but. Exactly the same. A little less torque actually, but I'm gonna make one more. 628 power, 540 torque. I'll make one more. Same, one less actually. So 629, 544.8. This thing is done. Pretty stout. That's all I got. Later.